Hello friends, how are you doing? Because of this coronavirus, we are not going our school. So friends, I am making this video to learn preschools writing skills at home. This will help us in letters and numbers formations. So friends, we will start with these tracing lines. First, standing line, backward slanting line, forward slanting line, sleeping line, inverted curve, C curve, upper curve and lower curve. Let's start it. Practical time. Friends, I will tell you some examples how these lines will help. So friends, which letter is this? It's A. Here I use 3 lines. Next letter B. See, here I use 1 standing line and 2 curves. Here I use 3 curves and inverted curve. So what letter is this? You will write its S. I will write the numbers. This is number 3. Here I use 2 inverted curve. This is number 5. Here I use 1 sleeping line, 1 standing line and 1 inverted curve. Here I use 1 sleeping line and 1 standing line and 1 small sleeping line. Which number is this? You are right, it's a 7. So friends, please try to make this at your home. It will help you in letters and numbers formation. Bye bye. See you next time with a new video. I love you.